unboxing LG microwave. LG microwave. Easy.
Hello.
This is one of the best model in LG microwave.
आप baby कर लो.
Model number is MC2846SL.
नहीं मुझे actually उससे बात करने क्या वजूदार मैडम से उसकी बात से तक आ जाएगी वो. पता नहीं मेरे तो फोन में बहुत करती है. चलो आप लोग सब आज निकल रहे हो.
उसी में रन दो, उसी में रन दो उसको, अभी उसी में रन दो, अभी उसी को उसी में रन दो. सेफ है. Yeah. In this you will get it. This Taste of India. LG Life's Good. This menu card is there, and this one is there. Model numbers and description is given. This your friend's guide for the microwave oven. Then this is owner's manual microwave oven. It's given all those. I think it's given all about that description about this. Then fourth one is it's recipe manual microwave oven. So recipe is given in this microwave oven books. So it's very cool. You can get everything over this. So it's a very good microwave and it's one of the best model in LG microwave. So go for it. And yeah, it's going to open up.
Quite heavy.
Yeah, it's quite heavy. It's a 28-liter microwave oven. All in one, and in this it's a screen touch. It's 251 things you can make it out over here. But the thing is that what is the recipe manual is given.